andito naman tayo ngayon or dumayo naman tayo ngayon sa palengke. So, ngayon, malakas ang kutob ko na meron tayong ma-spot or may makikita tayong spin mom dito. So, tara, tingnan natin. Excuse me, ate. Hi! Are you spin mom?
Ay, opo.
Kasi napansin ko yung bag mo, tsaka nagbe-baby wear ka din eh. Oo. Anyway, how long have you been a South Pinanay member?
Ay, matagal na po akong member sa Spain.
Ah, wow. Long time na rin pala. So, appear tayo dyan. Ba't ka napadpad dito sa palengke? Ano nasa shopping list mo ngayon?
Namimili kasi ako ng gulay ngayon para sa uulamin namin mamayang gabi. So, ayun. Lagi ako namamalengke ng mga fresh gulay, tsaka fruits, tsaka meat dito sa palengke.
Okay. So, para saan naman yung, for you and baby or for the whole family?
Para sa buong pamilya.
That's great. Okay, so I know that you mentioned that you're a South Pinanay mom and alam ko may idea ka about this coming event this coming October. You're excited? Are you excited about the event?
Ay, oo. Nabasa ko nga sa group na magkakaroon ng event ngayong October. Tapos nakita ko magkakaroon ng cooking demo.
Ay, nice.
Interested ako doon since nga na stay-at-home mom ako at nagluluto ako. So, madami akong matutunan siguro pagpunta ko na regarding sa complementary feeding tsaka supplementary feeding.
That's great. So, mukha ako din ang na-excite sa mga workshops din sa this coming October. So,
Oo nga eh.
Anyway, Mommy, I won't keep you anymore. Baka di na kita abalahin sa
mamamalengke.
pamamalengke mo. Oo. And I'll see you there on
I'll be
October. Okay, so nice to meet you. Ingat.
Salamat
Bye-bye.
din.
Okay, so ngayon dito naman tayo sa mga jeepney kasi may nakita ko isang mommy na pasakay pa lang. So, tara, interviewin din natin sila. So, let's go. Hi, mommy! Excuse me, pwede po ba kayo makausap sandali?
Sure.
Kasi napansin ko ka kanina, pasakay ka ng jeep, galing kang palengke, yung carrier mo at yung bag. Spin mom?
Yes, proud spin member.
That's great. Spin mom's in here. Anyway, mommy, kasi pansin ko the bag says hub na. So, umattend ka sa previous event ng Spin?
Yes po, you were there.
So, breastfed si baby?
Yes, breastfed siya. Since day one.
Okay. So, anywhere talagang kasama mo siya?
Spin, lahat. Lagi siyang nakasabit sa akin. Kasi nga, direct lunch pa kami. Until now.
So, kahit nagbe-breastfeed ka publicly, hindi ka naman naiilang, hindi ka naman nahihirapan?
Hindi naman. Basta for baby. Kahit nasan kami. Kasi syempre, pag nagutom yung baby mo, hindi mo naiisipin yung mga nasa paligid mo. So, yun, sobrang thumbs up talaga ako sa mga breastfeeding in public sa mga mom.
First time mom and first time baby?
Yes, first time.
So, how did you, what do you call it? How did you face the challenges as a first time mom?
Nung una mahirap talaga, pero with the help of the support groups like Spin, sobrang doon, dami ko kasing natutunan talaga sa Spin. Yun, after being a member, nakaka-relate ako lagi sa mga posts ng mga moms kasi yun, na-overcome naman namin yung mga challenges ng breastfeeding and all that.
I see. So, since you mentioned na Spin member ka nga, I know na may alam ka about sa darating na event this October. So, excited ka ba sa Spin 3rd anniversary and IBW celebration?
Yes, super excited na.
So, what are you excited about there? What are you looking forward to?
Actually, lahat ng events doon. Especially na makikita ko ulit yung mga mommy friends na chat lang, ganyan. Tsaka online ko lang nakakausap. Di ba? Parang mag-get together ang mga mommies eh. So yun, super excited ako doon.
Ay, ang galing naman, mommy. Anyway, I'll be there and I'm sure you'll be there. I'll see you. So, I'll go muna and see you on October sa event on October 8th.
Alright!
Okay, so bye mommy. Salamat sa time. Alright, finally, our last stop is isa sa mga bahay ng mga South Pinanay members ulit. So, balita ko kasi may mommy gathering. So, silipin natin kung anong ginagawa nila sa mommy gathering ng South Pinanay. Tara! Hi! Hello! Makikigulo lang ako sa inyo dito, ha? O, sige, okay lang. Kasi nalaman ko na may mommy gathering, kaya bigla akong napasulpot dito ngayon. All South Pinanay members ba?
Yes.
Wow, so how long?
Ako 1.5 years.
Oh, okay, so wow, 1 year na.
Ako
Ikaw?
siguro newbie.
Newbie.
Kasi second quarter of this year lang.
Recently mo lang pala nalaman
Recently
yung
lang
group.
na-discover.
Ikaw naman?
Since 2013.
Oh, ito talaga. Sa'yo na ang corona. Anyway, since lahat kayo South Pinanay members, all your kids are breastfed?
Yes, of course.
Baby born din?
Proud.
Wow. So, since baby born and breastfed din, I'm sure na meron kayong alam about the event this coming October? Well, grabe, parang excited na siya pag kada mo event.
Super excited.
Grabe ang ngiti mo, ramdam na ramdam ko.
Second event ko eh, kasi hindi nga sa South
Ah,
Carolina.
wow.
So, looking forward kasi I super enjoyed yung first event. So, kaya looking forward ako dun sa mga, actually hindi lang tong darating na event, but sa mga iba pang paplanuhing event ng
Ng spin, wow. Well, here is the news. We have the event this coming October, which is South Pinanay's 3rd anniversary and baby wearing celebration. So, what are you guys excited about that event?
raffle, prizes.
Ako sa tomato.
Sa mga talk.
Kasi lagi silang nag-i-invite ng mga speakers. Really good speakers. Madami akong natututunan.
Ay, oo nga naman, oo. Parang ako lalo mas na-excite, lalo na narinig ko yung raffles sa kayong prizes. Anyway, hindi ko na kayo masyadong istorbahin at mukhang kakain na rin kayo. Okay lang, sige, sure. I'll leave you guys muna and see you on the event on October 8. Alright, maraming salamat sa time. Sige, bye-bye. So there you have it. It looks like it's going to be an exciting event for South Pinanays this coming October. So mark your calendars on October 8, 2016. That's a Saturday at the Activity Center over at Alabang Town Center for South Pinanays 3rd anniversary and International Baby Wearing Week celebration. So see you there. Bye for now.